Difference ba? Parang wala naman difference. So we're on the way to Love Expert para sunduin si Tintin because today we will be trying a lot of matcha drinks in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, and if ever there's still a time, we will try to go to Sili to try matcha. So trying another tanggalin to try another this one difference ano na my skin looks good though. So yeah, we will see if how many matches are we trying today and if these matches can live up to the hype. Ciao. Right now, nasundo ko na si
Nitni! Galing? Bakit?
Ito na. Now we're here at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Are you excited to try the Ori matcha?
So excited. Can't wait.
Okay, so let's go. Maganda na lighting dito.
Ganda. Hi guys! Tignan mo, wala akong masabi.
Uy, may Surge Fitness Lifestyle dito. Kalaban ng Anytime Fitness. So, ang nilook forward ko dito yung matcha bar. I'm just hoping na worth it yung matcha nila. How much yung matcha nila dito? Oh.
Pero feeling ko mga nasa around 200.
That's how you know na nakakaangat-angat ka na. Hindi mo na titignan yung prices. And congrats. Kita mo kasi nakakaangat-angat ka na.
Ano?
Nakakaangat-angat ka. Excited ka na? Sinundan niya talaga yung ano.
Kasi yung napanood ko kanina, hindi na lang sinerge ko. Kasi para alam natin kung saan banda.
Tig-isang drink ba tayo?
Ito, gusto mo ba or share lang?
Let's see.
Ba't ka ba ng mochicha?
Mag-ikot muna, pwede mag-ikot-ikot lang.
Here na guys!
So we just bought matcha or chata.
Ano? Ko...
Kinako. Ay, kinako matcha ba? O, basta yun.
Here na! Dito ako excited actually kung anong lasa nito.
O, try mo muna.
So... Parang siyang palitaw.
Oh.
Parang kaya siya. Sarap.
Andito yung mic sa akin.
Ayun. Sarap.
Oh.
Hindi mo sabihin niyo lahat?
Ha?
Ididip kaya to?
Pwede mo i-dip.
Try natin. Kasi baka talagang magpapalasa.
Wow.
Kasi wala siyang lasa actually. So baka ito yung magpapalasa sa kanya. Nagkalasa siya bigla.
O, tigim. Akin na ito maliit.
O, iba ko. Hindi,
Ka-
nagkalasa talaga siya ba?
Siyempre, dinip mo sa may sisa. So, trying the matcha horchata. I mean, the color is giving na. The color is giving.
Yeah. Guys, sorry.
Tikman mo yung matcha. Blind test. Joke lang.
Ito na. Ay, grabe ang green ha.
Mmm.
Sarap.
Mmm. Mmm. Approve, approve.
Uy, ang sarap.
Sarap. Okay, sarap. Ay, matabang yung sa'yo. Mas gusto ko yung sa akin.
Ito kasi na-overpower ka na ng cinnamon. Kaya feeling ko wala ng lasa.
Ah, baka din. Pero gusto ko siya.
May lasa.
So, to everyone's watching there in their homes, in their office, in their schools.
Just visit here at Ayala Mall.
Uy, hindi sila na forever dito.
Guys, hanggang bukas na sila.
Upload ko to next week. Upload mamaya, tapos wala nang manonood. Sarap. I mean, saan pa ba sila next?
Hindi ko alam.
Baka naman you can order from them sa IG, ganyan.
Actually, yeah. Ang home base talaga sila.
Andito yung mic.
Actually guys, home base sila. So, kung taga Cavite ka, Imus Cavite actually, siguro pwede ka mag-message. Meron silang Instagram account, Ori Matcha. You can search them. So, try nyo na lang mag-message sa kanila para matry nyo to. At saka yung in-order niya. Masarap. Swear.
Sarap. I would suggest you to try the matcha horchata. Balanced taste of the cinnamon, the horchata, and the matcha. And the color is giving. For only 240 pesos yun sa akin.
Yeah,
Sa'yo?
parang 240 kasi
240 rin sa'yo?
240 kasi 480
240 pa sa'yo.
480 lahat.
So, ciao. On to the next one.
Sarap talaga.
May tea life pa tayo, matcha din.
Nabulok
Pag,
na.
pag tayo di naumay sa matcha today, ewan ko na lang.
Sarap. Swear. No bias. Masarap talaga, no bias.
Ano namin yung food namin. Food and drinks namin. Ay, mahulog. We have rich matcha latte, grass jelly, standard sugar, and then snowy rich matcha latte. I think snowy rich matcha latte is with cookies and cream, and then ito grass jelly, and then egg mayo, and then they have this cute tumbler that you can get for 249 only if you buy one of their matcha series. Ano yung pag regular fry?
Nasa 400 plus siya. Nasa 400 plus. Nakalimutan ko.
Ah, yan. So, thank you to Life for inviting me. Wow. For inviting us
Thank you.
and we're devouring this matcha drinks right now.
Pero in fairness sa matcha nila, parang pwede na.
Wow.
Oh,
How would you rate your matcha?
dito, 8. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Well, pero bagay ito sa akin. Kasi matamis sa
This kind of matcha fits her personality and taste buds. Oh.
may judgment na eh. Masarap talaga. Yung milk tea nila, masarap.
Chop na ano, egg mayo.
Milk tea dito, yung parang cider
So, just a little ano, tour lang in this Tea Live High Alamos Manila Bay. When you enter the entrance counter and then their barista area. And then, meron lang ditong upuan. And then, ito na yung pwesto namin. Ayun, our 2 agendas for today are done. The first one is the Ori Matcha Bar in the covered court.
Yeah.
It was good. The 2 matchas that we've ordered were good and exceeded our expectations. Especially the dango one. The dango drink, I mean the dango mismo na pag dinip mo sa matcha, it tastes good. And then yung matcha horchata, masarap siya.
True.
Okay. On the expensive side, but it's quality naman. So worth it.
True.
And then the Tea Life just had a little problem, but it was good naman in the end.
True.
Content, it's done, and we're extracting the videos. Hopefully,
Yeah. Sana matapos siya bago siya ma-deadbat.
hopefully it's successful. And the day is done. Actually, the third agenda, supposed to be the third agenda, is the silid, yung matcha cafe ng pinsan ko, kaso hindi ko na napuntahan kasi it's too late. Yeah, it's too late. Yeah.
Kailangan 8 kasi nandun na kami. Eh ngayon pa lang.
Hindi, dapat siguro before 8 or
Nandun
7:30.
na tayo.
Oo.
Eh,
Kaso,
paalis pa lang
it's
tayo.
too far na kasi.
Late na rin tayo natapos eh. Yung talagang yung sa Tea Live,
Tea
anong
Live,
oras.
yeah.
Kahit bilisan ata natin, matagal kasi nga nagkaroon ng aberya.
Oh, yeah. So, okay, 2 out of 3 for today. Maybe next time. So,
True.
ciao.
Ciao!
That's your outro.
Ciao! Ching!
Nit naman eh.
Nit bye. Ano? Isipan mo ako.
Ano yun? Nit done for the day. Parang
Poet.
So, this is Irvin and goodbye on to the next vlog.